Welcome to Fort Thunder! I'm the best helper ever. Captain Tom is in charge. Then, I'm Assistant Anna. Base check time. We do it together. The curtains are moving. That means the mission's starting. Window 1, almost secure. Assistant ready. The sky looks darker now. That's okay. We know what to do. Fort Thunder can wait. Safety mission first. We can do this. Yeah, we're a team. It sounds loud now. It's just the wind, not a monster. Mom said we close every window. Then let's check them all. One done. Good job, Captain. What is next? Kitchen window. It's windy in here, too. Then we need to close this one fast. Room by room. Mission by mission. That one moved by itself. It's okay, the wind pushed it. I feel better when you explain things. Good, because I'm kind of guessing and remembering Mom. Everything looks okay. And we did it fast, too. Let's do one more check. Double check means extra safe. Can we watch cartoons now? Yeah, the safety team earned a break. The sky looks almost purple now. Storm colors are weird, but kinda cool. Whoa! That was bright. I don't like this part. I know, but we're okay. Stay close to me. I'm not letting go. No running in the dark. I remember that rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't see anything. Use your hands, not panic. Tom, something is looking at us. What? It has eyes. Okay. I don't love that. Got it! Turn it there, turn it there! It's just your bear. Okay, that is embarrassing. Your bear almost scared me too. Then we can both pretend that never happened. Okay, new plan. Safety plan? No running, no touching outlets, and we stay together. Got it. Not touching that. Exactly. This is the best spot. Because we can see the whole room? This is the best spot. Because we can see the whole room, blankets make storms less scary. That sounds scientifically true. Let Ace keep the flashlight right here. Good idea. What if the storm gets louder? Then we get quieter and calmer. Storms are loud, but they pass. You sound like Mom. Yeah. That helps. Good, keep that smile. Don't open it yet. Right, ask first. Who is it? Who is it? It sounds like them. I know, but let me check first. You two did the right thing.
Good job checking first.
The thunder was loud.
I know, sweetheart, but you did great.
You stayed calm.
I tried to. Everything feels better with light.
And with you home.
Everything feels better with light.
And with you home. Wait here, I'll get towels.
Thank you, helper.
Here, this should help. That was thoughtful.
Here, this should help. That was thoughtful. So tell us everything.
The bear looked scary in the dark. We checked the windows first.
Oh?
Then we stayed in the living room together.
That was exactly right.
You both handled it really well. Storms happen, but panic makes things harder.
Oh, Grandpa.
Calm choices keep you safe.
Fort Thunder survived too. Best base ever.
Looks like your fort helped.
Yeah, it became headquarters.
I'm proud of both of you.
Even when I got scared of the bear?
Yes, especially then.
Now this feels cozy.
Storm night is better with everyone here.
We should always keep that flashlight there.
That is a smart rule.
Counting helped. Yeah, it made my heart feel slower. Calm hearts can turn a storm into a lesson instead of a fear.
I think we passed the mission.
You were a good captain.
You were a great assistant.
They listened. And they worked together.